Hello students, as we are saying important questions from previous year question in that one among which of the following species is not electrophilic in nature? That is the question. First and foremost, what do you mean by electrophilic in nature? Electron deficient, electron poor. It requires electrons, it wants electron. Outermost orbital, it is not completely filled. So these are all the points you can bring it out. Now, options they have given: Cl plus, BH3 plus, H3. This is H3O plus, and this is NO2 plus. Okay, now which is electrophilic in nature, which is not electrophilic in nature? Not electrophilic in nature only the question they have asked. So here in this point, Cl outermost orbital 3s2 3p5, but Cl plus they have given that means here. So Cl plus means what is this? Outermost orbital, one electron it has given. So that is what plus. So 3s2 3p4. So 3s2 3p4 means 6 electrons only. 6 electrons means it is not completely filled. So electron deficient. Right. Now, next one, BH3. BH3 means what it is? Boron. It is outermost orbital, 3 electrons are there. Then hydrogen, which is giving 1 electron. So that means what it is? 6 electrons only. 6 electrons means 8 electrons only. It is completely filled, right? So it is 6 electrons only. In one way, we can say this is electron deficient only. Right. Now next one, NO2 plus. NO2 plus. So outermost orbital nitrogen, how many? 5 electrons only. So nitrogen here 2 and here 2, here 1. So nitrogen 5 electrons are there in the outermost orbital. Oxygen, it is contributing 2 electrons over here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the same way NO2 plus, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so what happened here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is also electron deficient only. So that means here actually what it is, 4 4 and 5 6 7 7 electrons only it is available. So that means what it is, 7 electrons only. So this is also electron deficient. And the next one, what it is, H3O plus. So H3O plus means oxygen, which is having 6 electrons are there in the outermost orbital. No, now one hydrogen, 1 electron which is contributing here. So that means here 1 2 3 4 5 6, yeah, 7 8. Here hydrogen it is plus actually. Why, because it is completely given out, there is no electrons, that is H plus. Okay, so that means how many electrons are there here? 8 electrons are there, but here it is contributing, that is another one, because H plus ion it is completely giving. Okay, now in this point here 8 electrons are there. So that means 8 electrons are there means it is not electron deficient, it is electron rich, it is completely filled, right? So H3O plus it is completely filled, whereas Cl plus and BH3 plus, NO2 plus, these are all electron deficient. Only what it is, H3 plus, H3O plus, it's actually completely filled. So this is not electrophilic in nature. This is what the answer. I hope you got an idea how do we go for that electron deficient to identify. Come on, let's go for the next question. The next question, IUPAC name of the compound CH3 CH double bond CH C triple bond CH. So in this, which is the correct option? Before finding the option, I just mentioned two main points to note down. The first one, it is locant lowering number. Locant lowering number. So locant lowering number, here the number starts from 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And while giving that name, yin and ein. So alphabetical order, yin comes first. Second point, alphabetical order. Alphabetical order, yin comes first, then ein. So that means here five carbons are there. So parent chain at a parent long chain at a 5 pent and 3 in 1 ein. So the number starts from here, no? So 3 in 1 ein. So option B, pent 3 in 1 ein. Yes. Op- the correct answer is pent 3 in 1 ein. And the next question, considering the state of hybridization of carbon atoms, find out the molecule among the following which is linear. Usually linear, where do you find? You will find it in sp hybridization. So in this first option, ch3 ch2 ch2 ch3, so here you are finding in that sp3 hybridization. So sp3 hybridization actually tetrahedral. So tetrahedral will not be a linear. And the second one what it is? CH3, CH double bond CH, CH3. So the second one what it is? In the middle point, sp2 hybridization it shows. sp2 hybridization also, it is not linear. And the third one, a third one, CH3, C triple bond C, CH3. So here SP hybridization. So SP hybridization is what it is? Linear, right? So SP hybridization linear, but terminal it is CH3 attached. But overall the molecule is CH3, C triple bond C, CH3. Overall the molecule it is linear structure only. Right. Now the last one, CH2 double bond CH, CH2 C triple bond CH. So one point it shows sp2 hybridization, the other point it shows sp hybridization. So overall it will not be that linear. So this also will not be the correct option. So the correct option which is linear molecule means C is the correct option. CH3, C triple bond C, CH3. Hope you got the clear idea about these two questions. Come on, let us go for the next question. The IUPAC name of the compound, they have given the option 3 1 ethyl propyl Higgs 1 ene, 4 ethyl 3 propyl Higgs 1 ene, 3 ethyl 4 ethynyl heptane, and 3 ethyl 4 propyl Higgs 5 ene. See, one thing I would like to tell you in this point here, priority according to the double bond, we have to give the priority. So, in that way, here number 1 and here 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. See, why can't we go here 4, 5, 6? Because here the branching chain it's coming. So that is what we are coming this side. Okay, now 1, the number 1 it gives what it is, priority order, it is double bond. And 3 propyl, 1, 2, 3, 3 propyl, and 4 ethyl. So that means how can you give the name? 6 carbon is there. So and branching also is there. Third carbon branching propyl it is there. Fourth carbon branching ethyl it is there. So according to alphabetical order, ethyl will come first and propyl. So that means 4 ethyl, 3 propyl, Higgs 1 ene. So 4 ethyl, 4 ethyl, 3 propyl Higgs 1 ene. So 6 carbon hexane. No, now here double bond Higgs ene 1 ene. First carbon only double bond it is there. Hope you got the clarity. This is very simple question, but it looks somewhat different, but it is very simple question. So according to that priority, if you are giving the number orderly, your answer will be exactly correct. Come on, let's go for the next question. The next question, which of the following compound undergoes nucleophilic substitution reaction most easily? This concept already we have gone through, but the compounds are different. Here, electron withdrawing group, electron donating group. Electron withdrawing group actually it reduces the double bond character. That means electron density decreases in electron withdrawing group. So electron density decreases in electron withdrawing group, and the same way electron donating group, that is electron density increases in that point. Electron density increases. Okay, now when electron withdrawing groups comes means it reduces the double bond character, and moreover it is deactivating the benzene ring. So in this is electron withdrawing group, and the same way chlorine also electron withdrawing group, whereas CH3 electron donating group, and this also electron donating group OCH3 electron donating group. Right, now here Cl electron withdrawing group. So in that way, which is the correct option? Highest most easily means Cl para position and nitro group. This is most easily. So if we give that order means this is the first one, and next one it is this. Okay, so this is the second one, and this is the third one, and this is the last one. I hope you got the clarity. So, which is most easily, which compound undergoes nucleophilic substitution most easily means highest part of electron withdrawing group is there, no? So, this is only the highest. So, which is the correct option? Option A is the correct option. See, a number of questions we are getting like this kind. So, please note down where there is electron withdrawing group, that is electron density decreases, that is deactivating that double bond character, or else benzene ring, it's deactivating the benzene ring, and most easily nucleophilic substitution reaction takes place. I hope you got the clarity. Come on, let's go for the next question. The next question, among the following compounds, the one that is most reactive towards electrophilic nitration, that is benzoic acid, nitrobenzene, toluene, and benzene. So, in this point, electron withdrawing group and electron donating group. Electron donating group increases the electron density and makes the benzene ring highly reactive towards electrophilic in nature, whereas electron withdrawing group decreases the electron density and deactivating the benzene ring. So wherever electron withdrawing group, that is deactivating the benzene ring. So in that point, which is more towards that electrophilic nitration means here electron donating group increases the electron density and makes that benzene ring highly reactive towards electrophilic nitration. I hope you got the clarity about this question. Now, which is the correct option? Option C is the correct option. Hope you got the clarity about this question. Come on, let's go for the next question. Which nomenclature is not according to IUPAC system? Br CH2 CH double bond CH2. 1 bromo prop 2 ene. Let us give the numbering system here. So here 1, 2, 3. So in the third carbon bromo substituent group which is attached. So we are giving the priority for that double bond characters. That means 3 bromo, 3 bromo, prop 1 ene. Right. So that means here, according to alphabetical order, 1 bromo it has mentioned. Actually, it is 3 bromo. In the third carbon only, bromo substituent which is attached. So 3 bromo, prop 1 ene. So the numbering, it is very, very important. Because of that numbering, the whole thing it has changed. Bromo, prop, ene, it is correct, but numbering it is wrong. So that is, which is not correct. The first one it is not correct. Come on, let us check the second one. CH3, CH2, CH, CH3Br, CH2, CH, CH3, here also CH3. So 4 bromo, 2, 4 dimethyl hexane. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 carbon is there. So 1, 2, 3. That means here 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 bromo, 2, 4 dimethyl hexane. So that means 1, 2, 3. So third carbon methyl group is there, but here second carbon only methyl group. So we are giving priority from here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So 2, 4 dimethyl and bromo, 4 bromo, right? So this is correct answer only. And the next one, CH3 CH, CH3 CH phenyl group, and CH2 CH3. So here 1, the same way, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here second group only methyl group which is attached, whereas here 1, 2, 3 third group methyl group, sorry, phenyl group it is attached. So here the priority comes 1, 2, 3. So 2 methyl, 3 phenyl pentane according to alphabetical order M and P. This also it's the correct answer only. And the last one, here CH3 C double bond O, CH2, 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 COOH. Now how many carbon is there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 carbon is there. Even functional group carbon also it is included only. Then here oxo, keto group, it is oxo we used to mention in IUPAC system. So here what it is? 5 oxo hexanoic acid. So here the number you have to give here because functional group starts there only. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So that 5 oxohexanoic acid. This is oic acid, right? So this is also correct. Now, which is the wrong? That means according to IUPAC system, which is wrong? This is wrong. Actually, this is the correct answer. So in that numbering, which is very, very important, in that one point you please understand, here double bond character we are giving more priority than the substituent group. Please note down. But here we are giving that functional group, after that only here oxo group we are giving. But whereas here priority order goes for the double bond first and the substituent group next. Hope you got the clarity. Come on, let's go for the next question. The next question, the IUPAC name of the following compound, CH3Cl double bond CiCH2CH3. Here they have given the option trans 2 chloro 3 iodo 2 pentene, cis 3 iodo 4 chloro 3 pentene, trans 3 iodo 4 chloro 3 pentene, and cis 2 chloro 3 iodo 2 pentene. Okay, now here I have given that long chain structure here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We cannot give the numbering from here because third carbon only substituent group which is attached here, second carbon only lower numbering only we can take it for it. Okay, now here cis or trans. Cis means in the same side. Trans means opposite side. Here they have given opposite side only. See here Cl and I. So naturally this is trans. So trans 2 chloro, this is 2 chloro, 3 iodo, 5 carbon is there. No, pent, 2 ene, second carbon only double bond is there. So trans 2 chloro 3 iodo pent 2 ene. That means pen 2 pentene also, pent 2 ene also. So A is the correct option. Hope you got the clarity about this question. Come on, let's go for the next question.